In this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram. You are all caught up easily and fast. First thing you wanna do, guys, is very simple. Open the settings on your phone, open the apps like this, and now this is on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Go to the Instagram app like this, click on this force stop, and then click on the permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions right here. As you can see, after you enable all the permissions, go to the storage or the internal storage, click on clear data and clear cache. And if you don't want to lose the data, you can just click on clear cache. It's enough. And last thing, click on this force stop to stop running the app in the background of your phone. And last thing you want to do is go back to the settings, open the wireless and networks, and then enable the airplane mode and disable it. That's it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial.